Sac passe, everyone! We are making papita today. Let me show you how to make it. Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts. So in today's video, we are making Haitian papita, also known as plantain chips. Now these are so easy to make, and you can use any plantain you like. You can use the yellow one, the green one, or the greenish yellow one. We do not recommend that you use the black one because it will be too mushy, and you can use it to make the plantain bread instead. So to begin, go ahead and cut your plantains. Be sure to use a sharp knife. Go ahead and slice it along the edges. I like to do it multiple times because it helped me to peel the plantains easier. Now you can also soak your plantains in warm water for about 30 minutes. Now this will also help to soften up the skin. Use your knife to help you peel the remaining skin. And once you're done, go ahead and sit your plantain in warm water. That way it will help keep them fresh and not too brown while you prepare yourself to either bake, air fry, or deep fry your plantain chips. Now when you are slicing your plantains, I recommend that you cut the plantain in half first because it makes it easier for you to handle. Once you're done, you can either use a sharp knife or a mandolin to help you slice the plantains. Now the mandolin will help you slice the plantain in an even layer. Now you can also slice them in circles, or you can slice them lengthwise. Either or is completely fine. Go ahead and add the oil and season it with salt. Once you're done, go ahead and arrange it in a single layer in the air fryer basket or tray. Air fry your plantains at 345 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until you reach your desired crispiness. And that's it, guys. Again, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. We would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our delicious Haitian videos. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day.